HDMI splitters are meant to send one video source to multiple screens at the same time, but when they don't work, the problem is usually something simple and fixable with the right checks. An HDMI splitter needs adequate power, good cables, and full compatibility across all connected devices to work correctly. Many splitters require an external power adapter, especially when running multiple high-resolution displays, and without enough power you may see no signal or flickering screens. Cable quality and length also matter. Long or low-quality HDMI cables cause signal degradation, leading to blank screens or distorted images. HDMI version mismatch is another common issue. If one device only supports an older HDMI version, the entire system may downscale resolution or disable features like HDR. HDCP compatibility is critical as well. If any device in the chain doesn't properly support HDCP, you may see black screens or strange colors. To troubleshoot, firmly reconnect all cables, confirm the splitter is powered, and power cycle everything for a few minutes. Test each TV directly with the source to isolate compatibility issues, shorten cable lengths, or use an active splitter with signal amplification. For long runs, HDMI over Cat6 solutions are more reliable. In advanced cases, edited communication, firmware updates, and matching output resolution to the lowest supported display will resolve most issues.